Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions. And this is Meditative Dialogue. The live, believe me, it was the livest live. That's all I have to say. But something happened to the phone, this and that. But I did manage to get a clip. And MACKA DIAMOND got me a little drunk in it. So sorry for the profanity. Alright? So like, subscribe, share. Show that you care. And matter of fact, guess what? She said a blue wig is dead. Don't come around here. Who wears a blue wig? Everything dead. Everything that. Just look at the clip.
I see me have to walk on bag. Everything dead. Everything dead. You know what I mean?
Lick up, bring out the tune, boy. It sound rough.
It's dead. Like the blue wig on them head. Everything dead.
What? She said blue wig dead. And she out the red. Lyrics come from the MACKA DIAMOND head. Come on, disrespect her, but she respect her instead.
Everything dead. Everything dead.
Well, she go to the dead.
Now come on for this cover joke. Now come on for this is a cover joke.
I know, because we about to fuck ourselves up. Yeah, we about to fuck up. I know. Listen, we don't eat. Oh my God. Queen, yo, let me drink this and really feel it. Because look, you got.
Boy, that was me. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry for the profanity. I'm sorry. When two friends buck up, things get buck up. All right. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Show that you love us, all right? Here at Meditative Dialogue. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions. And since I am the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now.